Tired of losing trades? What if I told you there's a secret TradingView indicator that literally prints money? Yeah, you heard that right. It instantly shows you trends when they're about to fill up and exactly when to buy and sell. It will definitely help you finally turn into a profitable trader. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this TradingView indicator setup to spot killer entries, avoid choppy markets, and seriously boost your win rate. You won't want to miss this indicator insider knowledge. Alright, so how do you actually get this TradingView indicator onto your chart? Super simple. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView. That's the platform I'm using right here. Once you're there, just pick a chart you like. Seriously, it doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Euro against USD, Tesla, or whatever. The concepts we're talking about today, using the best indicator TradingView offers, they work across the board. So you've got your chart up. Now look for indicators button up top and click on that. A search bar will pop up and you just type in Froma Channel. You'll see it come up in the results, usually by a user named Big Beluga. Click on it and boom, this powerful TradingView indicator is now on your chart just like that. So, what exactly is Froma Channel TradingView indicator doing? Well, the main idea behind this indicator insider secret is pretty cool. It uses something called fractal adaptive moving average. Yeah, fancy name. But just think of it as a super smart moving average that actually adjusts itself based on how wild the market is getting. This isn't just any indicator TradingView has, it's dynamic. Imagine like this. The market moves in patterns, right? Fractals are basically these repeating patterns. This best TradingView indicator uses the idea to create a dynamic channel around the price. What that means is, it doesn't just show you the trend. It also figures out how sensitive it needs to be depending on how much the market is jumping around. The unique adaptability is part of the secret sauce. When the price crosses above or below those channel lines, that's your signal. It's telling you there's a potential shift in the trend. But here's the real neat part of us beginners. If the price just bounces around inside the channel without actually breaking out, that means the market's probably just chilling, not really moving anywhere fast. The channel even changes color to show you this, so you can avoid getting caught in those annoying choppy markets. This adaptive approach is what makes the Froma channel an awesome TradingView indicator for both trending markets and those sideways ranging periods. Okay, so while the Froma channel is an awesome TradingView indicator on its own, I found a few tweaks in the settings can make it even better. For the Froma channel specifically, just change the length setting to 20. That's it for the Froma channel settings. Now, hold on a second. If you're thinking we're just gonna blindly jump into trades whenever you see a buy or sell signal on this one TradingView indicator, you're making a big mistake. We need more than that to actually make money consistently. We need some solid trading rules, good risk management, super important, and crucially, a confirmation indicator. This is where the true indicator insider method comes in. So, for that confirmation, we're gonna grab another powerful TradingView indicator called the Double Gaussian Awesome Oscillator. Head back to the indicator section on TradingView, click it again, and in the search bar, just type in Double Gaussian Awesome Oscillator. And you'll see it pop up in the results. Click it and it'll add right into your chart. This combo is key to this prints money strategy. Now, this indicator is basically a souped up version of something called the Awesome Oscillator. It uses really smooth moving averages called Gaussian smoothed MAs to show you both the short-term and long-term trend. You'll see two histograms on it. A bright line histogram that shows you the short-term trend, and then those darker columns which tell you about the long-term trend. Just like with the Froma channel, this best indicator TradingView setup needs some specific settings. Go into the settings for the Double Gaussian Awesome Oscillator. In the Inputs tab, change the length 1 to 20. Then length 2 goes to 45. After that, change length 3 to 100. And finally, linked 4 to 200. With these optimized settings, we'll have a much clearer picture of the overall market trend and its momentum, essential for a print money strategy. Remember, we're not just taking those buy and sell signals at face value. The whole point here is to find those discount price to get in and trade with the market's momentum. So how do we actually put this best TradingView indicator combo together to make some cash? Here's the deal. The real indicator insider strategy. When you see the price candles are above the Froma Channel bands, you want to wait for the price to actually come back inside those bands. That's your first clue. Once it's back inside, we're looking for a strong bullish breakout, meaning the price starts pushing up and close with two bullish candles above the bands again. But don't enter yet. This is where our confirmation indicator, the double Gaussian awesome oscillator, comes in. For a buy trade, both the brighter histogram and the darker columns must be above the zero level, the midline of the oscillator. So, if you got those two bullish candles closing above the Froma bands and the double Gaussian awesome oscillator confirms that bullish trend and momentum, then you can confidently open a buy position. This is a TradingView indicator combination that sets you up for success. For your stop loss, you'll place it just below the midline of the Froma Channel indicator. And for your take profit target, aim for 2R. That means you're aiming for twice the risk you're taking. Seriously, if you can hit a 50% win rate with this setup, you're going to be incredibly profitable. This is how the best TradingView indicator strategy actually prints money. Now, for sell trades, it's pretty much the exact opposite. You're looking for the price candles below the Froma channel, waiting for them to pop back inside. Then you want to see a strong bearish breakout. Two bearish candles closing below the bands and the double Gaussian awesome oscillator, both histogram needs to be below the zero line, confirming the bearish trend and momentum. If all that lines up, you can open your sell position. Your stop loss above the Froma channel midline, and again, aim for that 2R target. This complete TradingView indicator system is what you've been searching for. And that's pretty much it for discovering the secret TradingView indicator that prints money. Make sure to check out my risk management video popping up on the screen right now as your next video. It's super important for making this indicator insider strategy works long term. I'll see you in the next video.